Okay, in example 4, and you may have seen these when you fly over the United States. If you look outside the window, you'll see these circular fields, and it's not aliens landing on the earth and making shapes. It has to do with it's easy to have an automatic sprinkler, say from the center here, hooked up to some water supply. You can see a water supply down here. There's a water supply, and they have a machine that makes this thing rotate around so the farmer doesn't have to do it, and so you get these circles here in these square fields, and so this part is where all the crop is. Okay, so you get those circles here. So let me erase all that. Okay, so we have these circular fields. Okay, and it says the area inside this circular field. They want to know, whoops, I got to change my pen. They want to know the radius of the circle. That's what they want to know, but we know the area inside. Okay, so that area, they told us, is 804.25 meters squared. So since I've got area, which is this, and I'm dealing with a circle, I probably want to use the circle formula. So let me change the pen color so we can see it here. So I want to use the area of a circle is pi r squared. And they want me to find the radius, so this works. This formula is great. So I'm just going to put my numbers in. 804, whoops, that looks messy. 804.25 equals pi r squared. Now, just like before, pi is just a number, so and it's blocking my r squared, so I'm going to divide by pi. So these will cancel out. And when I type this in my calculator, I'm going to write this over here. I'm going to get r squared equals, and I'm typing 804.25 divided by second caret key right above the dividing key on the calculator, and when I press enter, it gives me 256. It's basically 256, and we're talking about meters squared. Remember, it was the area was here in meters squared. Okay, so I'm not done the problem because it wants the radius, not the radius squared. So how do you undo squaring? Well, we did it with the Pythagorean theorem. We just went square root. So let's square root both sides. And when you type that in, you're going to get r. And when you square root and square, they cancel out to get normal meters. And 256, the square root of it is 16. So we know that the radius for this sprinkler, this part right here that goes around, is 16 meters.